Something's not right. Something's not right. Something's not right. All right, let's do this. Yeah, keep that elevator up. There you go. Good job. There you go. You may have to trim it. How's it feel? Yeah? There you go. You trimmed it out a little bit, right? There you go.
Now it's much better.
Yeah.
That prop, it's really...
Yeah, probably not the right one, but...
We'll do a low pass for you.
Yeah, it's not the best filming weather. There you go.
We're having a blast over there. I'll bring it again for low pass.
Yep, let's do it.
Wait for it. Here comes the victory roll. Wait a minute.
All right, try to stay out in front of us, okay?
I'm sorry, yeah.
Try to stay out in front of us. Yep. Try to stay left and right.
Okay. Let's go hammerhead. Oh, and the other way, never mind. Now, slow flight. I'll do a nice slow flight for you.
There you go. There you go, man.
Thank you so much, man. I was very kind of you helping out. I go right, high rate is up, right?
Yep. Yeah, you don't need high rates. It's. I'll be honest with you. It's.
I want to do a roll. See if I can do a roll.
I think you can do it with that.
No?
Yeah, I think so.
It
will.
Go high up. Go roll.
You got to. You don't want to be a couple mistakes high. Yeah. There you go.
It's hard, but.
Yeah, get used to it first.
Yeah. Do it again. Another roll. Do another roll.
Yeah, go ahead. There you go. Yeah. All right, so now the ultimate is touch and go.
Yes, one touch to go here, but not here. This is slow flight. I'll come back around and do touch and go. But I'm going to do it up. Oh, there's no way, really. There you go, touch and go. Oops. Whoa, that's touching. Whoa.
Easy.
Oh! Ah!
Got it.